Hi everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okuki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some student or somebody that needs to improve his skills in maths. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board that says a pump can fill a pool in 10 hours. Okay, a pump can fill a pool in 10 hours. So let's see if this is the pool. Okay, we have this pump. Okay, that has to fill this pool, and it's going to take what, 10 hours. Okay, let's call this a pump what, A. All right, now the question says another pump can fill it in what, 15 hours. All right, let's say we have another pump here, pump B. Okay, now for pump B can take what, 15 what, hours. So let's understand something here. Pump A can take what, 10 hours. Now the question says how long will it take if both pumps work together? Very important, the question says together. Together means what? We have to add. Okay, when you come across the word together in maths, it simply tells you to add up something. So that means we are going to add the rate at which pump A will fill this pool and the rate at which pump B will fill the what? The pool. But in 1 hour, okay, in 1 hour, what is the rate at which pump A is going to pump its pool? So in 1 hour, okay, if in 10 hours, okay, 10 hours, we have, for 10 hours, we have a full what, pool. So in 1 hour is going to be 1 hour divided by what, 10 hours, okay, times what, the what, full what, pool, okay. Now, if pump B is going to take what, 15 hours, so 15 hours, we have what, a full what, pool. So what it means for 1 hour, pump B is going to take the 1 hour, okay, divided by what, 15 hours, times the what, the full what, pool. So what this means is for pump A, okay, for 1 hour, if we divide, let's say we divide this to 10, so we have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to take 1 over 10 hours. So for 1 hour, it's going to fill this much, okay? So that is the idea. But from the question, okay, we want to see how, now for pump B, okay, for 1 hour, it means it's going to take, if we divide this into 15 places, so it's going to be 1 over what? 15 here. So the idea now is we want to see when both pumps work together, okay? When both pumps work together. So pump A is filling the pool and pump B is filling the pool. It will be faster, right? So the idea now is, okay, we are going to say for we to have what? Okay, full pool together, we have pump A rate plus what? Pump B rate. Okay, so the rate of pump A is actually this, and the rate of pump B is actually this. Okay, so now since we've gotten this expression, okay, now the time, okay, now the rate, since we have 1 over 10, so the time is going to be such that, okay, let's see, we are going to have 1 over what? Time together is equal to, remember, the rate of this is 1 over what? 10 hours. Okay, plus for the rate of B, we had 1 over what? 15 what? Hours. So, so the full put together is inverse of the time and inverse of the time of pump A and inverse of the time of pump B. Okay, since they are working together, so we have our plus there. All right, so let's solve this and see what we are going to get. All right, so for this, I have 1 over what? Time together. Let's solve the simple fraction. Okay, we can simply go 15 times this. So I have 15 times 1 plus what? 10 times this. So 10 times 1 divided by this times this. So 10 times what? 15. Okay. So this is a simple way to solve fraction. This multiply this first, then this multiplies this, and lastly this 2 multiplies. Alright, so let's say 1 over t, let's call time together t, is equals, this is 15 plus what? We have 10 divided by what? This is what? 150. So this is going to give us 15 plus 10 is going to give us 25 divided by what? 150. So what can cancel out? The 5 can go, so 5 into this is 5. 5 into this is what? 30. Okay, 5 can still go. 5 into this is 1. 5 into 30 is 6. So we have 1 over 6 what? Hours. So now the time together, okay, so 1 over t, which is 1 over time together, gave us 1 over what? 6 hours. So there are two ways we can solve for how long it will take for them to work together. We can compare. We compare, so that 1 is 1, so 1 is 1, and the time together will be equals to what? 6 hours. Alright? Or we'll say we'll take what? Take. Or you can cross multiply. That's another way. So this will multiply this and this will multiply this. Okay? Or you cross multiply, or you take what? Inverse of what? Both sides. So it's going to give us time together times 1 is what's the time together. Then 6 hours times 1 is 6 hours. So whichever method you apply, we see that the answer to this problem is what? 6 hours. And you can see that the answer is correct because for just pump A, it took 10 hours longer time. For pump B, is even slower, 15 hours. But both of them combined, it becomes what? Faster, which is what? 6 hours. So that gives us the solution to this problem. Do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.